Well, good morning, good afternoon. What a mess. It's raining. We're supposed to get something called a cyclone bomb. And it's supposed to be like a difference in temperature or something. And we're supposed to have like 60-mile-an-hour winds. And that's all going to happen tonight at 1. Keep coming, baby. I'm kind of going ahead of Charlie, but he's in the backyard, so I can see him. I gotta go down into this swamp. I'm gonna take you with me. Yesterday I fell in the mud, like my boot. My boot sunk in. It's a muddy mess. Alright, baby. Where do you want to go in at? It's rainy. Sam's a trooper. But I'm curious to see what I got last night, so that's why Alright, we'll go this way. There's a little trail here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's so slippery. Look at that. I caught in there. Alright. There's the camera. See the water everywhere. Now this is the problem. That's my boot yesterday. There's a tree here and a stump, and I missed it. Got the tree. Oh, goodness. Well, that was better than yesterday. Okay. Gotta go.